Hi everyone, you're welcome to this platform. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious Nigerian sardine bread. Have you tried this before? If you have not, sit with me while I take you through the process. Thank you for tuning in. So first of all, you're going to grease your baking pan with some butter or your oven dish and set aside. After greasing it, you're going to use the baking paper to cover it like this so that your bread does not stick to the pan. Step by step and stir the pot. Every sprinkle hits the spot. From the oven to your plate, oh, happiness you just can't wait. Taste the love in every dish. Next, you are going to mix up the dry ingredients together, that is the flour, the salt and some sugar. Mix it up properly and set aside, and please remember to filter your flour before you mix. In another bowl, you are going to add in some powdered milk, add some warm water, mix it properly, and then add your yeast, mix it and keep it aside for the yeast to prove. Follow for delicious treats, oh, yeah. Every bite's a melody. Now while that is done, remember we are doing sardine bread, so you are going to get a bowl and pour in your sardine. But first of all, remove the excess oil and pour it into a bowl. Add some chopped onion and pepper. If you don't like pepper, you can skip it. Recipes that make you smile, oh, delicious flavors with your while, oh, whip it up and take a taste. Every dish a yummy case. Follow for delicious treats, oh, yeah. Every bite's a melody, yeah. Cooking magic in your home, cause our food is never alone, oh, yeah. Step by step and stir the pot. Now you're going to bring out the dry ingredients and pour it into a bigger bowl to enable you mix properly. So now this is the proven yeast. For you to know that your yeast is proven, you're going to see some bubbles coming out of it on top. So now you're going to add in some melted butter and egg and mix it properly, and then pour it into the dry ingredients and mix them together. Now sprinkle some flour on your working surface and transfer the dough on the working surface and begin to knead with your hands until the dough is very smooth. The best food plug in town, tasty bites around the way. Come and see them every day. Recipes that make you smile, oh, delicious flavors with your while, oh. Now grease a bowl with some oil, drop the dough inside the bowl and also rub some of the oil on top of the dough to avoid dryness. Cover with a cling film and set aside to rise for 1 hour. Cooking magic in your home, cause our food is never alone. Stir the pot. Every sprinkle hits the spot. After 1 hour, you can see that the dough has increased in size. So you are going to just roll it and cut it into 9 equal parts. Before you roll it, remember to use your hands to punch out excess air. bite a melody. Yeah. Cooking magic in your home. Cause our food is never alone. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Delicious treats, oh, yeah, yeah. Every bite's a melody, yeah. Cooking magic in your home, cause our food is never alone, oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Bless our foodies, yeah, yeah. The best food plug in town, yeah, yeah. Tasty bites around the way.
So now you're going to do the filling. To do that, take a piece and roll it out flat like this.
Whip it up and take a taste. Every dish a yummy case. Follow for delicious treats. Oh, yeah.
Now add some sardine mix. Do not add too much, please. After that, try to seal it up like this. Make sure you seal it up properly and then roll it to form a ball.
And stir the pot. Every sprinkle hits the spot. From the oven to your plate. Oh, happiness, you just can't wait. Taste the love in every dish. Yeah. Flavors pop and make you cheer. Yeah. Recipe to match your mood. Plus our food is best of food. Follow for delicious treats. Oh, yeah, yeah. Every bite's a melody. Yeah. Cooking magic in your home. Never alone. Oh.
Cover to rest again for another 20 minutes. So while that is resting, we are going to mix the egg wash using 1 egg and some liquid milk. This will help give it that golden brown color.
Yeah. Follow for delicious treats. Oh.
After 20 minutes, bring it out and egg wash all of it like this.
Yeah. Cooking magic in your home. Cause our food is never alone. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Bless our foodies, yeah, yeah. The best food plug in town, yeah, yeah. Tasty bites around the way. Come and see them every day. Recipes that make you smile. Oh, delicious flavors with your while. Oh, oh, whip it up and take a taste. Every dish a yummy case. Follow for delicious treats. Oh.
Once that is done, take it to the oven and bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 18 to 20 minutes. And here we go, guys. Our delicious sardine bread is ready. Get some melted butter and brush it up to give it that shyness.
And stir the pot. Every sprinkle hits the spot. From the oven to your plate. Oh, happiness, you just can't wait. Taste the love in every dish. Yeah. Flavors pop and make you cheer. Yeah. Recipe to match your mood. Plus our food is best of food. Follow for delicious treats. Oh, yeah. Every bite's a melody. Yeah. Cooking magic in your home.
So that is all about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. So tell me, are you going to be trying this? And let me know where you are also watching us from. I'm glad you tuned in today. I hope you like what you are seeing today. Let's go ahead to see how it looks inside. Please remember to like, comment, share, and follow for more recipes like this. Hoping to see you again in my next one. Bye-bye.
Delicious treats, oh, yeah, yeah. Every bite's a melody.